Accrued expenses and prepaid expenses are two different types of accounting concepts related to expenses. Accrued expenses refer to expenses that have been incurred but not yet paid for or recorded in the accounting system. These expenses are recorded as a liability on the balance sheet until they are paid. Examples of accrued expenses include salaries and wages payable, interest payable, and taxes payable. For example, let's say that a company has employees who are paid on a bi-weekly basis, and the end of the accounting period falls in the middle of a pay cycle. The company will need to record an accrual for the unpaid portion of the employees' salaries that will be paid in the next pay period. On the other hand, prepaid expenses refer to expenses that have been paid for in advance, but have not yet been used or consumed. These expenses are recorded as an asset on the balance sheet until they are used up or expire. Examples of prepaid expenses include rent paid in advance, insurance premiums paid in advance, and advertising expenses paid in advance. For example, let's say that a company pays its annual insurance premium in advance for $12,000. The company will need to record a prepaid expense for the full amount of the premium. Each month, the company will then record an adjustment to reduce the prepaid expense by the amount of insurance that has been used during that month. In summary, the key difference between accrued expenses and prepaid expenses is that accrued expenses are expenses that have been incurred but not yet paid, while prepaid expenses are expenses that have been paid in advance but not yet consumed.